Hi guys, I'm Service. Now starting B section of computer science specimen paper. This question is define a class with the following specification. So in this class name is bank, member variables are P, N, R and A. These are four member variables. P for principal, N for time, R for rate of interest and A for amount. These are variables and in this class these are instance variable and here is two method and one another method main method. That means total I have to create four method here. First method void accept, which take value from user P and N using a scanner class, and the second method calculate will be calculate the rate of according to this structure. Here is a table given. According to time, rate will be applied different on the slab based. But we have to calculate in the calculate method. I have to also calculate the amount using the compound interest. This is the formula for compound interest. And the display message I have to display principal, time, rate, and amount in the heading, and after that all the values against this. Now after that I will create a main method and uh, create a object of this class. With the help of object I will call the all the above methods. Now creating this program. Now opening BlueJ. So I will take the class name bank. This is given in the program. So I am written here bank. So in this program we will use scanner class. So first of all import this. I imported scanner class. Now I will write class. Name of the class is bank and here class body. Now in the class here I will take sorry, I will not take here main method. First I have to declare some variables. So variables are description given in the program. I am taking according to here is double P for principal. So double P and double R. All data types are in the double format data type. So here I will write PNRA for value. Double PNRA. These are four variables I have declared here. Then I have this. Now first I have to take accept variable, which accept the value P and N from the user. So I will write required accept value method. This will take two values from the user. Sorry, here I am not written the return type. This will return the this return type is white, so I will write white accept. Now here I will write now in the accept we are taking input p and n. So to accept this value, I will use scanner class math object. So I am declaring a scanner class object, scanner sc new scanner new scanner system.in. Now I have created scanner class object. After that, I will take input in p. So I will write here message to take input system dot out dot println enter the value, enter the principal, enter the principal. So user will print p r I and println. So user will try to take input. So I will put in the variable p assign next int sc dot next int. Now I will also, sorry, here I am using int not, this will be double because data type p is data type of p is double. I will write double. Now same I can input by the copy paste and the variable value in n, but message will be different. Here message will be enter the time, time, enter the time in here. So user will also input the time and it will store in the n. So input part here I am completed. Now we will move on the next method of this class. Next method is here calculate. Calculate. In the calculate return type is void, so it will not return any value. So I am writing here void calculate, void calculate, void, void calculate, and now I will first year rate of interest is depend on the rate of interest depend right where is the rate of interest is depend on the time. So I have to assign value according to condition. So I will take a value R. Here I am taken, but I am initializing this. So it rate is depend on the time. If time is less than half year, that means 6 months you can say. But here is in the year, so I will also write in the year. If time, that means n, is less than half, then I will put in the rate 9. If time is greater than half and less than 1, then I will put 10. If time is greater than 1 and less than 3, then I will put 11 in the R. If time is greater than 3, then I will put 12. So writing this code by using else if if time that means n is less than half. Half means we can write zero point 0.5 because we can write 1 by 2 we can write, but if I write 1 by 2 I have to change 1 in the double. So 1 we can write in this manner 1 by 2.0. We have to do at least one double, or for easier you can write half 0.5. Both you can write as you want. Then I am creating if this block here. So R assigned 9 according to first put, first condition I am put here. Now I will write also else if I will give next condition in this block. Time is n is greater than n is greater than I am written n is less than 1 year. I will write here this. If n is that means time is less than 1 year, then what will be rate? Rate is 10%. Rate is 10%. R assigned 10. I feel next we can write else if else if else if time is less than that means n is less than 2 year 2 or 3 what given here. Let me check 3 3 then put 11 not 2 here is 3. Then I will put here in this block R equals to 11%. And last condition is n is greater than 3, so we can write it directly in the else part. Else R assigned 12. Now I am created here slabs which are given in the time and rate table. Now I am calculating the amount. Amount equals to P asterisk P into 1 plus R by T into to the power 100. So this expression I will convert into Java expression. Then here I will have to use A assign. That means value will be assigned in the A. P asterisk R in the bracket I will write 1 plus R divided by 100. So I will write 100 here. Now I have to here written power, so we cannot directly write this in the power. So we will use pow math.pow. So I will write here math.pow, and we will make a parenthesis extra, and this will be first argument, and after that I will put comma, and now next argument is the power. Here power is n, so I will write it as n. Now this is the expression for the compound interest, to calculate the compound interest. Now here I am calculated the compound interest. That means calculation part is completed now. Now in the third section, I have to display the message according to this format. So white display, I will write white display, white display. Now I have to display all messages. So format is that principal, time, rate, and amount. First principal, then time, then rate, then amount. So I am displaying message in this order. System dot, to display message I will use system dot out dot println, and first of all है what, principal. Principal. After that, separated a distance. So I will use here slash n, so slash t, to separate distance. Slash t. This slash t will be make some distance after principal and time. Principal. After that, I will write time. Then also use slash t, slash t. Now I will write rate. Now again I will write slash t, amount. This will be the format. Slash t is used to print, to give proper space between two messages, that principal and time. We need space here, so I will use slash t. Slash t means you can say tab. So this will display message in the heading, which are written in the heading. Now we have to write values of each. Now here PRINT T is missing here. Now I have to display the value of each. So I will copy this message again and I will write each values. Here is not the string. I will use variable instead of this string. I am erasing all and writing again. So principal is P. So we can write P. But I need space between P and time. Principal and time. So I will use slash T, which I written in the above. I copied this to use again and again. P, then T, then plus, then again this, then also use plus, then R, then I will also use plus, sorry, plus, and tab, again plus, then amount. Amount is, sorry, here will be rate, then principal, time, rate, and amount. This is all values. These are all values, four values I have to display. So all the part I am completed. Now we have to, sorry, here is what is T. T is not here. T is not here is M for the time. Now we will move on the main method. In the main method, wide main, we should write object. I have to create a object of this class. So to creating object of this class, I will write bank bank b or obj. We can write as you want. New bank. This is the way to create object of any class. Now we will call above method one by one. So using this object. So first of all, I will call accept obj dot accept. So I will write obj dot I called first. Then I will call second method obj dot second method of this program is calculate. Now I will call third method display. Now I have called all the methods. Now compiling this program, compiled successfully and running this program. Okay, sorry. Again I am starting losing. By mistake I off. This is open here. So I will creating instance. Now I'm running main method here. In the main method, asking enter the principal. I'm giving 1000. Time 1 year. Now principal is 1000. Time is 1 and the rate of interest is 11% and this is the amount. I am checking here for 1 year what is the rate of interest in that given table. For the 1 year it is 10%. It will be 10%, but here it is taken is 11%. Now here is the mistake, slight mistake. I am trying to correct it. Here is in the question up to half, but I have mentioned less than only. I have to mention here equal to sign, and here it also means equal sign up to. That means including this value. No, it will be correct. Now again I am creating instance, running main method. Principal is 1000. Rate is time is 1 year. Then rate is 10%. Correct. Now output is correct. I hope you understood this program. Thank you.